Oh god, it smells so nice of blueberries. Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a review video for Glow Recipe products. A few weeks ago, I just bought two of their products. One is the Watermelon Glow Pore Tight Toner, and then the other one is the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. So as you can see, they are still under a bubble wrap. I haven't opened it yet. This will be a first impression on the Glow Recipe products, so let's dive right into it. I do not want to review both of their products together, so today we're just going to review the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser first, and then we're gonna do a review for the Pore Toner on another day. Before we get into it, let's start unboxing this product. Got a little crumpled around the area here. I guess it's being squashed. So the packaging looks like this. It looks very nice, very blueberry-ish, and very simple. I like that. Just for your information, Glow Recipe products are not available in Malaysia currently, but I think they have expanded to Singapore. If you guys want to purchase the products, you either have to go find it via a reseller or just purchase directly from their Glow Recipe website. So cleanser that I purchased comes in two types of packaging. The one I'm holding right now is about 160 ml, and then there's another smaller packaging, it's about 30 ml. For 160 ml, this costs about like $34 US, and the 30 ml one, it costs about like $10. So if you convert it to Ringgit Malaysia, it's about like I think 140, 150 bucks, include shipping, I guess. I don't know, I'm not really good at math. Alright, let's see what does the description says about the blueberry cleanser. This effective yet gentle 3-in-1 bouncy makeup eraser, cleanser, and deep clarifying mask hydrates the skin without stripping it, helping to combat blemishes and breakouts over time. It will also help the rest of your skincare products work a lot better. Wow, okay. Whatever statement they are making here, it's quite bold, and I hope that really works for what it said. The key ingredients, there's blueberry extract, AHA, and most important ingredient for hydrating is the hyaluronic acid. So there are three types of ways you can use this product. One is you can use it as a daily cleanser, or you can use it as a 5-minute wash-off mask, and finally you can use it as a makeup remover. But today's review, I'm going to review this product as a daily cleanser, so I'm going to use this product for at least 1 week and then see how my face condition is. So without wasting our time, let's open this product and see how it looks on the inside. Their box inside has many blueberries. Oh, this is very interesting. I like this. It's very fruity, gives me a very fruity vibe. So the bottle looks like this. This is 160 ml packaging. To be honest, I'm a little disappointed of how small the packaging is. It doesn't feel like 160 ml. It feels more like a 100 ml kind of bottle. So you guys can see here. This is how the bottle looks like. It comes in a pump like this. It's very simple, and I like the color because my favorite color is purple, so I guess I have a slight preference to it. Let me smell if it really smells of blueberries. It definitely smells of blueberries a lot, like a lot. If you guys are into blueberries or into fruity kind of stuff, kind of products, you guys will enjoy this. Now let's see how does the texture feels like. Okay, so when I try to press, it doesn't bulge because it has like a lock mechanism, so you have to turn it a little, and then that's where you pump it out. So the texture looks like this. It's very jelly and very concentrated kind of cleanser. In love with the smell. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face with this Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser, and then I'll be right back. So I'm back from washing my face. When I use this product, all I need to do is just take a little, just squeeze up a pump, and then I just rub it against my hands. So the texture, it's very foamy. It's not creamy. First thought, my face feels smooth, feels very gentle. and I can still smell the faint of blueberries. When I put the product on my hand, the smell of the blueberries is very intense, but as I rub it against my face, the smell is not as intense as I expected it to be. So I'm going to try this product out for 1 week, and then I'm going to be back with you guys with my final thoughts. So, see ya! Hi! I've been using this Glow Recipe cleanser for about a week now. Let's wrap up this video by giving you my final thoughts. I feel like my skin is more hydrated, more plump, and also is a lot smoother than usual. Somehow this cleanser is effective for my skin. When you wash your face with this cleanser, you don't need to have too much product. For the size of my face, I would only need 1 pump, and that's enough to wash my entire face with it. Every time after I finish cleansing my face, before I get into the toner, I would always feel my face first, whether if it's too dry or it's too oily. But after using this blueberry cleanser, it actually doesn't feel dry at all. It doesn't feel like it's squeaky clean. Also, after using this cleanser, my skin smells very nice, very blueberry-ish. In fact, for most people that enjoy fruity scents, this product would be also okay for you to try it out. If you ask me if it's suitable for all skin types, well, as I mentioned before in my previous video, if it's suitable for sensitive skin, then it is probably suitable for all skin types. Everything is good about this product. It's just the packaging is a little small. Will I repurchase it again? Yes, I will repurchase it again. It is not available yet in the Malaysia market, so I have to always look for resellers or have to purchase directly from the website. And in website, they quoted it as American dollars, whereas I'm using Ringgit Malaysia to purchase it. So there will be a certain conversion rate. When I purchase it, it will be a little higher than the actual pricing, if you know what I mean. If Glow Recipe could come up with a bigger packaging, like maybe 200 ml, it would be glorious. I would definitely buy their products, because their products, no doubt it is very effective for my skin. I do hope you guys enjoy my review for the Glow Recipe cleanser. Do leave a comment below if you have any questions or how you feel about my review, and I'm always open for critical criticism, and any advice would be welcome. So take care, and I'll see you in the next one.